received the report on the political and security situation in the country as presented by the SADC facilitator, His Excellency Jacob Zuma, the President of the Republic of South Africa. Summit appreciate the frankness with which the report was presented by the SADC facilitator and commend him for the work that he is doing on the Zimbabwe facilitation. Summit recalled past SADC decision on the implementation of the global political agreement and noted with the disappointment and sufficient progress thereof, and expressed its impatience in the delay of the implementation of the global political agreement. Summit noted with great concern the polarization of the political environment as characterized by inter-alia, resurgence of violence, arrests, and intimidation in Zimbabwe. In view of the above, Summit resolved that A, there must be an immediate end of violence, intimidation, hate speech, harassment, and any other form of action that contradicts the letter and spirit of the global political agreement. B, all stakeholders to the global political agreement should implement all the provisions of the global political agreement and create a conducive environment for peace, security, and free political activity. C, the inclusive government in Zimbabwe should complete all steps necessary for holding of the elections, including finalization of the constitutional amendment and the referendum. D, SADC should assist Zimbabwe to formulate guidelines that will assist in holding an election that will be peaceful, free, and fair, in accordance with the SADC principles and guidelines governing democratic elections. E, Troika of the organ shall appoint a team of officials to join the facilitation team to work with the Joint Monitoring and Implementation Committee, JOMI, to ensure monitoring, evaluation, and implementation of the global political agreement. Troika shall develop the terms of reference, time frames, and provide regular progress reports, the first to be presented during the next SADC Extraordinary Summit. Summit will review progress on the implementation of the global political agreement and take appropriate action. Summit endorsed the report of the facilitation on Zimbabwe dialogue.